guys, welcome back to another video. So this is a new setup. This is very new. This is my bed, but ignore that. I have no cute bed sheet yet, so ignore that. I don't know what I was thinking when I want to do a video with this background, but before I start this video, as you can see from the title below, I am doing what's in my bag kind of video. But before I start the video, I would like to thank each and every one of you, friends, family, strangers, internet friends, the people who follow my YouTube. Thank you so much. Everyone reached out to me and asked if I'm okay from my ex story time video. I kind of tell everything that actually went through in my life 5 years ago. So if you haven't watched the video already, make sure to go and watch it. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for everyone. You guys know who you are. Thank you so freaking much. I didn't manage to tell this in the previous video actually, but I'm telling in this video, thank you. But let's just get started, girl. I'm not much of a beauty person at all, but I've watched this video going around of people making what's in my bag video. So I have a bag, I have things in my bag, so I thought, why not? Let's just make a video out of it and let people know what I have in a bag. This is so weird, but let's just do it, okay? As much as I find this video weird, but I feel like this is such a creative video. I mean, letting people know what you have in a bag will never cross my mind. But yeah, so guys, this is the bag that I'm using now. This is the bag. I will let you guys know where I bought this bag actually. So this is how it looks like. It's actually very small. It is very small. You can wear it, you know, you just can go out and wear this. It will look stylish, fashionable, whatever you call it. I'm using words that I've never used before. I normally get my fashion inspo from Pinterest. So I've seen some girls, some models, some, I don't know, fashion gurus. They've been using this bag lately and I love it. If not mistaken, this bag is available in white. From what I saw, in white, in some kind of beige color, and this. Actually, I bought this bag in an Instagram boutique, is what they call that, in an Instagram account. I will link it down below, so if you're interested, you can get it. For me, I love black color. I normally wear black color. Everything I have is black, so I went for black. Let's just get started. So the first thing, so this is how big is the bag, okay? It is too tiny. It is just a shoulder bag. The handle is kind of a gold detailing. It is not heavy, you know. It is not a heavy metal that you'll feel exhausted when you carry it. It is well done. It is not a real metal, let me tell you this. This is some kind of plastic, but they make it look like a metal. So it's quite nice. Let me start from the outside of it. I have nothing outside than this clear pin. Okay, you know when you're going out and you want to leave your hair like this, and then once you're out, you feel hot or something like that, you can just grab it. Clip like this is very fragile. If you put it inside, it will break. So I'll just hang it at the side of my bag, so it's easy to access. This is not the only bag that I've been carrying around, but lately, if I'm going out, this is the bag that I'm using. I have my own work bag and everything. I don't carry this to work. This is the bag that I carry if I'm meeting up with friends, if I'm going on dates, if I'm I have to put that in. The first thing I have in my bag, I don't know, I'm not going by orders. I'm just going what I can see from the top. First thing I have is tissue. I don't know why I'm starting from this. First, I have tissue in my bag. I always have tissue. So you will never know whether you need it or the people you are with need it. So if you guys want some aesthetic tissue, you can get it like H&M or somewhere like that. They will have cute packaging for tissue. I had that, but then I don't know where I lost it. So I just got a normal tissue. And then the second item I have in my bag is just normal wallet, just a black purse. Lately, I've been contemplating to change it into a small card holder. You know, the small one, just a small type. I want to get a good one. This purse, I bought it in brand outlets. It's not it's not branded. I have this thing where I don't buy branded things because for now, I don't know when it's gonna last. I love to change my purse regularly. I will be changing it every 6 months. So for me, buying any branded bag or purse or anything doesn't make sense because I'll be obviously changing it. If I keep changing branded items, I should be a millionaire, but I'm not. One thing, when I wanted to buy this, I was finding for something that has a gold detail metal around it, but then unfortunately I got a black one, just a black metallic one. Soon I'm going to change it to a very small card holder purse, which is even more easier to put into smaller bags like this. So this is the keychain that I hang in my purse. And yeah, this is the second item. The third one is a mask. It is 2021 and we are still wearing masks. This is a new one. I have kind of a lot of this. So every time I wash it, I will just replace a new one in my bag just in case, because you never know when you will miss it and you need a new one. So I'll have it. The third one. And the fourth one is the power bank. Guys, let me tell you this power bank can even be a weapon for me. This is so heavy, but then one thing I love about this is if I charge this fully, I can use it up to 3 days. Just 3 days. I can charge my phone fully up to 5 to 6 times, you know. So this is my only power bank that I'm carrying around. I used to carry something small, something petite, but then it didn't last for so long. So I bought this power bank at RV Norman. I think, I'm not sure, but this is such a good power bank, guys. You guys can use it. Oh, this is the brand. You do. Oh, Youbao. If you guys are looking for a good power bank, if you guys don't mind how heavy it's gonna be, you should get this. I've been using this for like 3 years now and it's still working. And obviously, if I'm already showing my power bank, I have my phone with me, so it's charging currently. And the fifth item in my bag is keys. Just keys, not my car key. By the way, my car key, I will always keep it inside my purse. Everyone find it weird, but I don't, because this is my car key. I put it in my purse. Everyone find it weird, but I don't, because if I'm going out, I definitely will bring my purse. So no matter what, the car key is always with me, and it is very easy for me because I can just bring the purse near my car and it will open by itself. I don't have to take it out. So that's why I'm always having my keys in my purse. And this is the fifth item. This is all the keys that I have, all my house keys, my house controller, and my room key, everything I have in this. And shout out to my friend Queenie, my colleague, who actually, she got me this pouch. It is so beautiful. Look at this detailing. It is so beautiful. So I love this thing so much. If you guys want a key holder, you can just get it from Shopee or Lazada or any cute place. They will sell things like that. It's very cute. And the sixth item I have in my bag is this lotion from Elianto. I love the smell of it. It has a floral sweet smell to it, so I always have this because my hand either get sweaty as hell or dry as hell. It depends on where am I at. So this really helps to keep my hand moisturized. I don't know, or anyone wants it, they can have it. And the next item I have in my bag is this hand sanitizer. Look at how cute it is. It is actually for kids. It is so small and so thin, you can just fit it in any place. If you have like a bigger bag and you have small compartments, you can just fit it like that, rather than carrying another huge one, because hand sanitizer, they normally comes in bottle, but this is like considered very new. So this is good. This is very good if you're carrying a small bag. Continuing to the next item, this is PMI. This is just panty liners. It's very important for girls. You never know when is the devil coming, so you keep this in your bag. It is so small. Important. I carry food with me no matter where. It can be gum. Normally I have gum, but I don't think so I have it in here. But instead I have sunflower seeds. This is like the only thing that I like from a petrol station. If you guys stopping for gas or something, if anyone asks me what I want, I love sunflower seeds. So I normally get a lot of it and I'll just put it in my bag. I'll never know when I'm getting hungry, so if I'm hungry, I'll just eat it. So I have snacks in my bag, guys. Such a small bag and I still have snacks in my bag. And then the next item is just this. if you have runny nose or if you feel sick, you can just inhale. If I have a headache, I'll just use this. I got it from Thailand. So in a pharmacy in Thailand, I still remember. So this is kind of important for me because I'm the type of person, I get car sick. If I'm sitting in a car, especially at the back seat, and I cannot look at anything, a phone or a book, I will get fogged. So for that, I'll just keep this in case. And the next one I have is Nivea lip gloss and also Revlon lipstick. I actually love this shade. I'm running out of it actually. If you have a dusty skin like me, you need to get this. I don't know whether they still have this or not. This is called Seductive Sienna. The code is 015. So if you're looking for something that has a beautiful shade, this is not the color actually, guys. Oh yeah, this is such a nude color. If you're looking for a nude red, is that what they call? So you have to go for this. So this is to lipstick or the only makeup that I carry in my bag. Yeah, I don't carry any makeup, I only carry lipstick. So if I'm out with full face, if anything happens out there, I'm staying ugly. I'm staying ugly, I don't care. I'm just gonna reapply lipstick and I'm done. The next one I have is this perfume. I have a Chanel perfume inside, but this is just a case that I bought from this is the case that I bought from Shopee, obviously. So what I do is, if I get a new perfume or any current perfume that I'm using and I want to carry it around, obviously I'm not going to carry the big one with me. So I bought this portable traveling perfume container and I refill it myself. They have a hole at the bottom, so you can just put it inside the huge one that you have, and you can just press it and it will fill it up for you. And I have this much left. So yeah, my current perfume is the Chanel Coco. It has its own name, I'm not sure about that. And then the next item I have is just this USB cable for my pod. And normally, you know, the one I'm using now is Nano Pod, and it is okay, but then it will run out of battery very fast. And if I'm out the whole day or if I'm staying over or something like that, if I want to charge my pod, I can charge it with my huge ass power bank that I have here. So the next thing I have is this cute ass pen. I normally carry around pen with me. You will never know what form you are filling up and what you're gonna write for someone. So always have a pen with you no matter what. The last item is disposable pot. You can just buy it anywhere. It is. I'm not gonna advertise this. It's not good, but yeah, I have this. This is a new one actually. I can normally, if I go out, if I don't feel like wanting to have my own pot, so I'll go for things like that. And last but not least, that's all I have, guys. Last but not least, I have a picture of me. This might sound narcissistic, but no, this is not only a picture of me. This is a picture of me and my dad. Is no longer alive. I'm carrying this picture around all the time is because this is the last dinner or whatever that I went out with my dad. And I remember it was a party or something like that. It was my birthday. So he was sitting beside me. I want to seal this moment. I still remember this dinner for my birthday. It was such a good dinner. Yeah, this is the last thing that I have in my bag. And I have more pictures in my purse, but I'm not going to show it. It's not important. Yeah, this is all I have in my bag, guys. This is considered my 2021 items that I have in my bag. I'm very sure normally I carry gums with me or other sweets with me, but for this video I don't have it in my bag. So this is a very quick video. This is just a sit and talk kind of video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like. I'm on Instagram, you guys can follow me there. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next video. So